Hello fellow diecast collectors. Welcome to another episode of Studio 64. And in this episode, we are going to feature another Mini GT model that was released late 2021. The WORKS Lamborghini Huracan GT, Fighters Works. This is actually one of the models I was really excited about doing a review on it. This model is also requested to be featured in this channel by a fellow collector, Dark PG3D. So, I guess now would be the perfect time to check this one out. Model is packaged in this standard Mini GT box. Its model number is 258. It has the official Lamborghini product hologram sticker at the back of the box. And as we unbox this model, here are some fun facts about the car. As you may seen in the intro, it's actually a real-world fighter jet-themed Huracan. This isn't actually something new to Mini GT, with the LBWK Nissan GTR Japanese Zero Fighter-themed cars, and the Pandem Nissan GTR Republic of China Air Force, ROKAF, Malata fighters. This model, however, I believe, is based on US Air Force fighter jets. And what immediately came to mind when I first saw this model is the US Navy McDonnell Douglas F-4 Phantom II. Checking out the exterior of this model, we see a familiar tooling. In fact, this Lamborghini Huracan GT tooling has several variants already. There's even an upcoming new variant for release, the digital camo. Having said that, I believe this might be the best so far. I really like the matte gray finish, coupled with the subtle fighter jet graphics. Let's check out how smooth the wheels roll on this copy. Initial spin of the wheels clearly reveal to us that there is a wobble on this rear wheel. The tires seem to be in place, so it's most likely the wheel is not properly attached. I'd say a perfect reason for a wheel swap. As expected, the roll on this copy of mine isn't exactly butter. We have the typical Mini GT wobble on this one. Let's now go in for a closer look at this model, beginning with wheel detail. Rear wheels are wider, and has a deeper offset compared to that of the front wheels. Design remained the same from previous versions. Side mirrors are made of rubber. Doesn't have any detail on it, other than being molded design and scale accurate. We can also see that there is already some peeling off on the paint of the side mirrors. I mentioned earlier that I really like the fighter plane graphics on this model, most notably are these side air intake tampo graphics. Fits really well with the side intake of this Huracan GT, and captures the very essence of the fighter jet theme. And speaking of tampo graphics, this model, like the other variants that came before, has minimal graphics on it. Nevertheless, the tampo graphics are nicely applied, and quite accurate to the real car. Check it out. The front end features include a detailed front spoiler with black grille accents. Would have liked this area to be sharper though. Headlights are plastic inserts, with some headlight detail on it. I do believe these tampo graphics are inside the headlight. This rear wing would be the main feature of this tooling, and although we've seen quite a few of these Huracan GTs in the past, I must say, the fighter theme of this Huracan really made this rear wing pop more. It really shouts fighter aircraft. Moving to the rear, we're given quite a detailed rear end. It's pretty much the same from previous variants, other than a nick on the left tail light lens in this copy of mine. The tail light lens is a clear plastic insert, with a red paint detail inside. And there you have it. The WORKS Lamborghini Huracan GT, Fighter Works Edition. The latest variant to date, of this tooling from Mini GT. And a winner too if I may say so. I really dig the fighter plane theme Liberty Walk did on this Huracan GT. It screams fighter jet without being too cheesy. And with the upcoming digital camo version, this Fighter Works version would definitely look great side by side to it. What do you guys think? Do leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, do hit that like button, and do consider subscribing if you still haven't. Would really help out this channel a lot, to create more 1/64 diecast review videos in the future. Till our next review. Be safe.